In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste text inside the VI or VIM editor using simple keystrokes. Let's begin. Step 1. Open a file in VI editor. Open your terminal and type this command. You can replace myfile.txt with your file name. Step 2. Switch to normal mode. Press ESC to make sure you're in normal mode, not insert mode. Step 3. Copy text. Move your cursor to the line you want to copy. Press YY. This copies the whole line. If you want to copy 3 lines, press 3YY. That copies 3 lines starting from the current one. Step 4. Paste text. Move your cursor to where you want to paste the line, then press small p. That pastes after the current line. Or press capital P to paste before the current line. That's it. Now you know how to copy and paste inside the VI editor. If this helped you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.